Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. This is Monfi. So today I want to speak about OBD2 scanner. Actually, the OBD type is two styles coming. OBD1 is for the cars vehicles below the 2000 model, and OBD2 from the 2000 till now, also 2023, you can use the OBD2 scanner. So now I connected to the vehicle. As you saw just now, I want to check it that is working properly or not. So first of all, actually it's connecting with the Bluetooth. So I have to open the Bluetooth. Easily you can use it with mobile, Android, even with the PC. It's totally okay. I go to the application. InfoCar actually is the best application for the OBD2 scanner to use it. So at the bottom of the screen, if you check, it's written app and OBD, so it's showing the connection, and still it didn't connect. So at the top side corner right side, you click on the connection, then click on the OBD2 scanner, confirm it. So it connected, then from the OBD to ECU, and now let's check it out. So I have to press the button also one time, the second time. So now when you want to connect, it's showing the password. Actually it's showing the password as 40 or 1234. For this one I think it's 1234. And yes, so first of all it will check the connection from the mobile to OBD, from the OBD to ECU. Yeah, so yeah, now it's connected from the OBD2 to the ECU. With this application InfoCar, you can use all of these things to know about your vehicle monitoring, vehicle diagnosis, dashboard, fuel, driving record, and everything. So much more good information. Engine diagnosis. And this one, Lexus ES 350 model 2010, that time connected the OBD2 to it. So let's check the vehicle diagnosis. For the diagnosis, it takes on like 2 seconds to 4, maximum 5 seconds, not more than that. And hopefully there is 0 fault codes found. Now we'll go to check for the dashboard. In the dashboard we have coolant temperature, intake temperature, RPM, speed, engine load, and idle time, many other things. It has a 2-page. And also if you open the engine, you can check the battery voltage, one of the greatest thing of this application. Accelerometer Z, accelerometer Y, also you can check it, APS, speed, everything that you can see. So now I want to start the engine. If I start the engine now, just I want to check how much fast information on this application we can see it. So now I open the engine. Yeah, when I started the button, so now it's showing the RPM. Again, when you open the engine, you have to press the password 1234. Okay, so now it's totally fine. I can see in the dashboard 14. So in here also like that, exactly same. Coolant temperature is 35, intake temperature is 30, engine load 34.9. so it's changing because the RPM also now it's coming down. In the engine load and in the RPM, if you check, we have a diagram types. Okay, so now if I press the gas pedal, let's see what will happen. Now just a second. So ASAP it's changed from 1000 to 3000. In engine load, 3000 become below, then it went to the normal average of it. We have the battery voltage, which is 14, which is the best number. Actually the right, it's showing as a 14, but it's not exactly 14. It's between 13.7 to 13.9, but it's showing 14 TPS and many other things. If you check now the coolant temperature from 35, now it's 44 and it's increasing properly, so it's totally fine application. The rest of the things we will check in the future videos. Actually every single week we will upload the videos. And thanks for watching, thanks for your time. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.